What's going on, everybody? This is not one of my parts of my carry permit process, but I wanted to jump on here real quick and say we got about 9 more minutes at the point that I'm recording this before HR38 is finally heard at committee. It's the markup amendment phase first, and then it's going to be voted on. If passed, it will move to the full House for a vote. Right now, the committee has 7 more Republicans than Democrats. So if it gets voted on straight party lines, it's going to pass. This will be big for the rights, Second Amendment rights of people in New Jersey, New York, California, Hawaii, Massachusetts, Maryland, and maybe DC. That's a weird one because it labels a state in the bill. It says a state, so DC is not a state. So we don't know exactly how that's going to work there. But if it passes without any major changes in the language, basically passes as is, the bill will recognize non-resident permits. So if you happen to live in one of those states that I mentioned, and you happen to have a, like say, a Utah or Florida or New Hampshire non-resident carry permit, every state must honor that permit as long as that state has a statute or a process that will allow their citizens to apply for a permit. So because of the fact that, for example, me, I live in New Jersey, since New Jersey technically does have a process in place for citizens to apply, that means my carry permit from Utah will be honored here. Until New Jersey has a conniption fit and probably files a lawsuit to probably stop it because they claim 10th Amendment stuff. But Article 4, Section 1 states that Congress does have the right to make this law as long as 2 or more states have conflicting laws. So obviously it does when it comes to the Second Amendment. So Congress does have the power to make this change, make this law, and make states honor other states' laws, no matter what the law is. They use the same articles and the same reasoning to get gay marriage passed. So now gay marriage is recognized in all 50 states. So in the same logic, well, peace. And let's see how today's vote goes.